Tiago here, welcome back or welcome. If you're new here, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start a review of the Haylou RS4, a budget smartwatch with AMOLED screen. Starting with the price, the Haylou RS4 has a price tag of £49.99 in UK and $49.99 in US. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and Bluetooth information. The Haylou RS4 comes with a silicone strap, a Type A USB charging cable with 2 magnetic pins, and a manual. Checking on the watch now, you can see that it has a simple design with a look like Apple design, like previous Haylou watches, but this one is different because of the screen. More on that in a few minutes. The RS4 dimensions are 45.2 by 37.2 by 11.1 millimeters, with the watch strap having a 20 millimeters width, and the watch weight being 48.6 grams with the strap. The body is made of zinc alloy and hard plastic. It feels great quality watch in your hands. The screen is a stunning 1.78 inches AMOLED display. On the right side of the watch, we have only one button. It turns the screen on and off and works as a return on menus. On the back of the RS4, we have 2 magnetic contacts for charging and the sensors on the center. Let's see the RS4 features next. So, we have quite a basic chipset. A stunning 1.78 inches AMOLED display. IP68 waterproof body. So, no swimming here. Up to 10 days battery life. Continuous heart rate tracking. SPO2 tracking. 12 different workout modes. The major strength of this watch is this really lovely looking screen. It's AMOLED. It doesn't have always on, maybe in future updates, but you guys need to agree with me. The 1.78 inches AMOLED screen looks good. Pairing the RS4 with your phone is easy and straightforward. Once more, I have used my iPhone 13 Pro Max and it connected first time without any problems. The Haylou RS4 doesn't come with speaker or microphone. Navigating through the menus, it's easy and very responsive. Swiping left or right takes you through the main cards. The system feels more complete, still with old problems, like the inability of add apps, for example. Sports tracking is possible, however, is limited by the amount of workouts and the lack of GPS. In my opinion, this area should be one of the best implemented areas for this budget watch, but there is no improvement in this area from the previous versions. The tracking features work without any problems and seems to be accurate. You have 24 hours heart rate monitoring, SPO2 monitoring, and the sleep tracking. The sensors work properly as well and only start monitoring when it's in your wrist, so on top of the table they will not start monitoring anything. The app Haylou Fun have been updated since the last time and looks better and have a cool design. I like the boy with the Haylou watch. On the first tab, you have all the important information, like the daily activity, your sleeping information, steps, heart rate, and SPO2. On the second tab, you will see the record information about your workouts. Last tab, you can change all the settings, like the watch faces. It's a shame that there is not that many, because the screen is amazing, so watch faces with loads of colors will be great. Also, the lack of a cloud and the inability of adding a second device are negative points about the app. One last thing about the RS4 is the battery. You have 10 days of battery life on the daily use mode and 25 days on the basic mode. Just for you to be aware, the basic mode, your watch Bluetooth is not on, so there is no connection with your phone. Not much of a smartwatch, don't you think? Let's see some of the drawbacks next. No always on display mode. Some software glitches. no speaker and microphone, no smart assistant support, no GPS, and NFC. Okay, they have Alipay offline payment, but I'm not sure about this service living in UK. So, in the end, there is not much difference from the last models, apart from the amazing AMOLED screen. In my opinion, Haylou is going in the right direction. The price is not bad, just need a bit of update on the software and add a few more features. And that's it guys, this was my review on the Haylou RS4. I hope you liked this review. If you did, please consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up in the video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you a great day with your friends and family. I will catch you on the next one.